Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're starting Unit 2, okay? And today we're going to talk about exponents, all right? So there's a few things that we need to know about exponents. I feel like a lot of you already know some of this, okay? So it might review for a lot of you all, okay? So first, when we look at an exponent, let's say I have 3 to the power of 4, okay? So a couple things we need to know that we need to talk about. This number right here, the big number, okay, this is called the base. So when I talk about base, okay, I'm referring to this number right here, all right? The other number, this little one up here, this little bitty number, okay, we call this the power because it's got the power, all right? So this is your base and this is your power, okay? So what is exponents, okay? Exponents, this is repeated multiplication. All right, so it's multiplication that's repeated over and over and over again. So what does that mean? 3 to the 4th power means we're going to multiply 3 by itself 4 times. Okay, and I'll show you guys an example of that. So example 1, let's say that we have 5 squared. Okay, so 5 squared. So what would that look like? Okay, this would be 5 times 5. Okay, so 5 squared is 5 times 5. You multiply 5 by itself twice. All right, the way we say this, okay, this would be said 5 squared, or you could say 5 to the 2nd power. And that's how we would say that. So whenever I say things like 8 to the power of 4, okay, that means 8 to the 4th power. All right, and that's how that would look, and that's how we would say that. Okay, so let's look at another one. Let's say we have 7 to the 5th power. All right, what does that look like? That looks like 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. So we're multiplying 7 by itself 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and how would you say this? You would say 7 to the 5th power. All right, 7 to the 5th power. All right, that's another way that you would say that. Okay, so this is my base, this is my power. All right, so when we talk about different bases, no, we're talking about the big number, B. Base means big, okay? Think about that. All right, and your power is this little bitty number right up here to the top. Okay, so again, just an intro to exponents. Hope that helps. So now let's talk about something else. Okay, we have 2 different ways to look at these. Okay, we have exponential form, and we have expanded form. So these are exactly what they say. Okay, exponential, you think about the word exponent. Okay, think about the word exponent. Expand, when something expands, it gets bigger. Okay, so let's say if I have 2 to the 3rd power. This is exponential form. Expanded form, we're going to expand this out, would be 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, let's say if I have 8 to the 7th power. I'm going to expand that, and it would be 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Exponential form, expanded form. Exponential form, it just has the exponent. Expanded form, we expand that out. Okay? So make sure we understand the difference of those two.